Hello, my great viewers. I greet you all. You are welcome to our channel once again. Today is all about going to Ibusa, but we are going to move from Asaba. Why we use this landmark as this new constructed flyover as a landmark towards going to Ibusa, and actually, this is the Ibusa Road. This road now is called Igbuzo Road. So if you move straight, you are going to Ibuzo. So that's why we actually started from here. And good to know also that Ibuzo is just a stone throw from here. Ibuzo is just 3 minutes drive or 4 minutes. So it's as well as moving from one side of Asaba to another side. So it's as good as that. If you move faster, you're gonna come there within less minutes. So, but we are not moving that very fast so that we can get what we need to get. Then we are going to move around the Ibuzo. We are going to move around the Ibuzo, move down to Admiralty University, the military university, Naval University to be precise. So it's gonna be an enjoyable trip. So just tighten your seatbelt, come along with us. Let's explore Ibuzo a bit. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, this is the opportunity to click on subscription button. Let's hear your comments. Share this video to people that may want to see it. So this is the present situation of Ibuzo. We are going there right away to see how Ibuzo looks like. So, but I'm going to make some few comments about Ibuzo, and I will allow you to watch the video. Allow you to enjoy the video and so on. So, but the truth is that Ibuzo and Asaba has common boundary, and most importantly, the connection has been established, as in Ibuzo have successfully merged with Asaba in terms of development, buildings. It has merged because right now you cannot even see any empty land along this road. So that tells us something, that the development has merged the two towns together. Unlike before, all these places are empty. You see empty bushes by the left and by the right. But now everywhere is built up. Everywhere now is built up completely. So, but there is one thing our people had to learn. Majorly is going to the government. They know. There's nothing government doesn't know. But it's just that, maybe there is no need for that yet. So what I'm talking about is establishing service lane. All this express, just like that Benin Asaba Expressway inside Asaba, there is need for service lane earlier enough to avoid traffic disturbances for people that are moving along the express. Probably the government is here to do that, just like Onitsha has done their own. If you enter Onitsha now, because of how busy Onitsha is, some years back, government established service lane to allow free movement of vehicles along the express. Then if you are moving within the town, you can use the service lane and so on. So there is need for such in every express, where express pass that is built up like this early enough. So having said that, we are still moving down to Igbuzo. Igbuzo is not far, just very soon here you see Ibusa. Like I said, it's just about 3-4 minutes drive from Asaba. See, okay, they are working on the road island at the middle of the express. They are clearing the grasses there. Probably they will plant new ones. You know that the construction is coming down to Asaba from Ibusa. You know, last time I think I brought it also. So, but now they've gone far, almost joining this one, Asaba. So, but you see it, shortly you'll see it. This is Ibuzo now. That place, down, you are looking at Ibuzo. So, but you will go there and get very close. Enter inside too. We are going to move along the express first, drive down to the Naval University, then turn back into Ibuzo. By the left side is yet to be completed. So, but work is going on there. The left side of the other lane, you can see it has been zoomed. So, but work is going on there. So all this area now, they are all Igbuzo area. All these places, both left and right, they are all Igbuzo. So, but we will go inside the town and and see how the town looks like. So, but some few things about Ibuzo. We say that Ibuzo is an Igbo community in Delta State, Nigeria. The community is in Oshimili North. You know, Asaba is in Oshimili South, but this one is Oshimili North. But they have boundary with Asaba. Obanam too is Oshimili North. It has boundary with Asaba. So the movement forming the process of Ibuzo can be linked to the first and second waves of the movement of Igbo migrants into the west bank of River Niger. The first adventure led by Edini from Nri. Nri is like Nri. So, and the second of the two waves of the migrators or migrations led by Umeje resulted in the formation of Ibuzo. So that is it about Ibuzo. Probably I'll still add one or two things to make it more informative. But you look around Ibuzo, this is moving along the expressway. So, but we are driving down to the Admiralty University in Ibuzo. So, gentlemen and ladies, by the right is the university. You can have a view of it. It's the Naval University right there at Ibuzo. So, this is the university. Is there along the expressway. So that is the university. Shortly we are going to turn back and enter inside the Ibuzo. That's the other view of the university. The other side of the view. So now from here, this junction, we are entering inside Igbuzo from here. So we are going to drive through Ibusa, go inside, see how Ibusa looks like, and drive to some places, and then we leave. So from here now is the other entrance of Igbuzo. The other major entrance. But the camera will still catch it very well. So there you are looking at is as down there. Okay, here is Ibusa. All these places are Ibusa. This is another major entrance inside the Ibusa town. In fact, this place is the major entrance coming from Asaba. Here you follow to enter inside Ibusa. Ibusa town is written. Got it. So that is the major entrance. Then if you look down, up that hill, down, that place looks like Asaba or Panam. Any of those two places looks like Opanam, more of Opanam, I'm not sure. But just to show you that up there too, development has reached that side. You can see it's down there. After this place is it should be after airport, so you can imagine which place is that. So all this area we are moving around is inside the Igbuzo, some streets, major road inside the Igbuzo. So we cannot just pass along one major road and leave. So we move around the Igbuzo town to see what it looks like. Then some Igbo historians share the opinion that groups who left Benin with Ezechima. When we discussed about Onitsha, we talked about Ezechima, Umu Ezechima, and they have relations with people in Delta State too. So, and the Ezechima left Benin and the rest. So, there is this opinion that people who left Benin with Ezechima and sojourned eastwards might have settled in Igbuzo, considering the geographical location of the town. The implication of this, therefore, is that this new set of settlers could have been sick or generally lacking in the interest in furthering their journey. This could also have resulted in their final settlement in not too distant Onitsha, which is here, Igbuzo. So this is the fence of the Federal Government College Girls. Federal Girls Government College Ibuso. You can see the signboard. Federal Government Girls College Ibuso. That's the school. Once again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, click on subscription buttons and let's hear your comment. Like this video and share it to others to see, people that might be interested. So once again, I want to sincerely thank you for coming along with us. Until we come your way next time, bye for now.